Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Krisp AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in krisp.ai and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official Krisp AI website. Now if you don't already have an account, then click on the Get Krisp for Free option at the top right corner. This will then take you into the sign up page. You can either use your Google account, your Microsoft account, or you can manually enter your email address to sign up. After entering your email address, click on the sign up button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address that you just entered. So just check your inbox and you will find this verification code. Just enter this code within the verification box and now you will be able to connect your Google or your Outlook calendar right away. Choose whichever option you wish and sign into the respective account. Now you will be able to make your personalized changes for your Krisp account. You can answer the questions that appear or tap on the skip button if you wish to set these up later. You will also see the option to download the app for your device. You can click on it continue without downloading if you simply wish to verify and finish signing up to your account. And now your account has successfully been signed up. You can proceed with downloading the application and sign into the app right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Krisp AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.